thing you're doing, you're giving me 10,000. Let's put this and this into this. Martin, I need you to you understand, like
Yeah,
relationship.
100%. Dog.
Okay, I believe in, if I'm gonna have a hand, I need to grow her. Nice, she must be in her bag. You understand?
Yeah.
So
But
mina
boy, let
ngipele
me tell you, ne, in the same light and regard that some women are like, I'm not going to be Bob the Builder, I'm not going to build a man and
yeah.
whatnot. Men also need to get to that point where we're going to stop being Bob the Builders, boy. Like,
Yeah.
you can't be that person that's going to be Bob the Builder to this person and you are
Yeah, guys.
constantly building them and advancing them, dog. It's either they come and they are like a complete package. For me personally, I will never date a girl that's not a full package, that's not employed. I'm done, dog, dating unemployed hands. Those ones are the worst people to deal with. I'm telling you, boy. Yeah, boy. So
She saw
also,
flames, eh?
no. I didn't see flames, but I've just been around for long enough to listen to different opinions from
Yeah.
different women, and I can tell you, women that aren't employed, like women that just wake up to be on Instagram, are the worst kind of individuals to date.
I don't know.
Like dude, even if you can be a waitress, go right.
Okay.
We are
Dog, have something like you're doing, like just one thing or something. Don't be, like I no, bro. That's why I've decided to stay away.
but I need manje we've normalized uthanda, ukuthengisa, and I'm obviously as well. Just I'm a trans.
Too much.
Am I your
What are our tags?
Zen.
I wanna hear because you've been
Wena.
using this word a lot.
Wena.
nine, nine, nine?
Wena.
I can never be with a dark skinned, but
Zeni
light
loves
skin.
those funky girls, Wena. What do you expect? Zeni.
But I don't blame you, boy. They're so nice. They're pretty, dog. I'm not gonna blame you.
Then obviously you're gonna spend. What do you
You
mean?
don't have to. You don't have to. That's the thing. You don't have to.
It's a choice, and you'll do that by your choices. Nobody forced you all though.
And then are you telling me Uguti Masingaya clubbing? Sipuzi, we will bag the finest. No ways.
No ways.
No ways.
No ways, boy. You know it must be champagne, man. It's VSOP, all of that.
Yeah. It's
But
all
then you know, like you buy champagne, you buy Dom again. Why it's a
Yeah. Zeni's Dom Perignon, Ace of Spade. That's his level.
I drink EXO.
mad? You know what you're doing. Why are you mad?
No, but I was drinking it because it was for me. Mahaya abanye abantu.
Hey,
Bengenzela mina.
Zeni, they're gonna swindle you, dog. There's a lot of swindlers, dog. Hey, there's a lot of swindlers, bro.
And then let me tell you something. Zeni like has crushes. Everybody crushes on Zeni. Just that like what I feel like maybe Zeni like she got options, you know.
Obviously, I mean, dog.
Bitch,
Zeni,
look at
Zeni,
me.
bro.
Like having options, it's nice, ne? But here's the problem. Mina ngifuna ukushada. Ngifuna umuntu ozongiphekela. Mfethu ngiyasiphekela ngenza ipapa manje. Akubeni umuntu ophekela.
Boy, these people won't do that, bro. Imagine, Maba, if Bebatizolo were no munte clapping, do you think that person would have time to cook for you right now? Because that person is thinking, hey, Mnaseng Puzila, I need to go home. You understand?
Dude, I want stability. I want permanent. I don't want like what's the word I'm looking for? I don't want like temporary. I want something that's real. I thought I had it done in my life.
Zeni
One
Martin. Bye bye guys. Like I have visitors who will talk, ne?
Zeni, Donna, sharp, Donna, secret, Denny.
Sharp.
or So yeah.
But big, I've been shoot up, boy. Look. This is behind the scenes.
Like,
one more video and then yeah, I'm done.
like for the people that are watching now, like what advice do you have for them? Ukuthi bangacela business or bangaspan?
So basically, I'd say everything and anything that anyone wants to do in 2023. I think we're living in one of the most, I don't know, technical, day and age, and there's everything and anything you need online. You can literally ask questions online, like what business do you have to start that can boom in 2023? There's answers for that. Like what is the one way you can make money online? There's also answers for that. If you're struggling with school and you feel like it's not for you, there's also answers for that. So people must not be lazy and just start doing researches right now. There's even like AI applications and robots that can help people get like proper and sufficient information on any space. Like if you need, hair supply, if you need shoe supply, if you need whatever, dog, like anything you need right now is on the internet, and people just need to take the initiative to just go and do research. Abo. So it's very easy right now to make money. You can literally make money whilst sitting like this on your phone. So, people must not be lazy to do research, dog.
I say I goes with this.
Ngifake courtroom, boy.
But you inspire people, you know this.
Yeah.
And then obviously
No,
for
boy.
the young one might be like you need to
Yeah.
And
Dog, research online. People must just go online and research. Everything is on there. Yeah. And you can wake up tomorrow, make 10,000 if you are serious about your trading. If people take trading seriously, they can wake up tomorrow, make 10,000. It's possible. Just believe in yourself. Yeah.
So the ones that wanna learn how to trade, they can DM you, Musant.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, they can. Or go online. There's also like lessons on there. Like, dog, like there's literally free information anywhere, dog, like in everywhere. But obviously, if you need like a bit of a personalized way of learning, you can send me a DM and I'll charge you crazy amounts to learn.
Being honest.
I'm being honest. Dog, imagine, I charge 15,000 rands for my lessons, and that's something someone can decide to go online and research about and spend hours and months and probably years trying to figure out. And I can obviously do that in a space of a couple of months. Someone is now consistent. So I'm not going to lie. You can find information online, but when you come to me, it's a bit personalized, and I'm going to charge you a leg.
Because we're not 2 months. And imagine we need a Google. It's already so so
yeah, dog. It's say squashed into like a small portion that you need, and that's relevant for your trading. So I'm not gonna give you useless things, whatever. I'll give you things that are important that I use, and then you can replicate that and do exactly what I do to make money, which is why I'm gonna charge you, because I know you're gonna make money. Yeah, well, yeah.
Right.
No, my boy, Zeni, much love, boy. I have.
Sure.
And for the guys that are here, they must know that you're hosting something very crazy and proper, in this coming month. I'm going to post it also on my story so people can see.
My never fun my friendship Zeni and come by.
Yeah, come in numbers.
There must people close.
Yeah. No, Ntwana, I'm a sharp, boy.